guys! Good morning! So, kanina pa ako gising, nakapag-workout na ako, breakfast, and nakaayos na ako ng bed. But now, I have a 10:30 a.m. class for my contemporary. And alam mo ba guys, kanina, mayroon ako 8 a.m. class, but nalito ako nagising, so we are late. But anyways, pasok muna ako sa class ko. It's currently 12 in the morning and I'm gonna pack my things for tomorrow because graduation picture na namin. So excited. So I'm gonna use this bag, this transport because super spacious na ito. And marami akong ilalagay na damit. Lalagay ko na yung checklist ko. So kunin natin isa-isa and let's pack it because maaga pa ang gising ko tomorrow. So here's the uniform and ito naman yung creative shot. I'm gonna pack my shoes then. So I have my sandals and my black shoes. Good morning guys! Today is the day, it's our graduation picture day. So excited. It's currently 6:05 in the morning. Maaga ako gumising because magpapa-makeup tayo. And papunta na daw yung makeup artist ko so mag-ibis na ako. Okay guys, so I'm done with the makeup and paalis na tayo. Ito na naman yung fit ko din. And mag-short lang ako, then we're good to go. Mag-eat pala muna ako ng breakfast. May sound effect dito. Fashion naman tayo. Thank you.
No problem.
Ay, may ano? Ay, edit naman, no? I'm done with the shoot. Bibili muna kami ng mango. Hello guys! So I'm gonna remove my makeup na super pretty na makeup. Ayoko siyang tanggalin but I really need it kasi maniligo na. Grabe, super aga ng gising ko kanina. And buti na lang, late kami dumating because nag-antay pa pala dun sa studio. That's my favorite, block wipes from Watson's. Super dami kami pinicture kanina because pinili kong package sa Diamond. So, ang dami niya. Kanina pa kapalit-palit ang dami. But I had fun. Thank you na lang. Buti na dun sister ko. Like, siya yung tumutulong sa akin for everything. I'm gonna take a shower now. So I just received a package and let's unbox them. Oh, so this package is from Cuco, Created Colors. And pinadalhan nila ako ng new collection of their nail polish. Ooh, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And tagal na din naga-nail polish. Wow. Parang ice cream yung style nila. It's so cute. First we have here is the opaque nail polish. It's in the shade Tiramisu. Parang siyang grayish yung color. Next is sheer nail polish naman in the shade Peach Sorbet. I love this. Mahilig ko sa mga pinkish nail polish. So, this is perfect. And sheer pa siya, so hindi siya mahalata if ginamit ko sa school. Then we have is sheer nail polish, then na caramel drip. Ooh, this is like a brownish. And I have here sheer nail polish, then na strawberry softie. Lastly, meron ako dito nail polish topper. Thank you so much, Google, for sending this. Super excited na ako gamitin ito because ang tagal ko na hindi nail polish and perfect to for school para hindi mahalata na meron ako nail polish. Currently, we're here at the Korean Mart. Yung check namin kung merong samyang carbonara. Ay, rose na lang sa mga. Wala yung pink. Bili na lang sa school. Sa school marami dun eh. Oh, dito pa pala sila. Change of plans. We're gonna eat at Din Tai Fung kasi wala nang pwesto dun sa kaninang restaurant. Change of plans again kasi gusto ni Mami ng soup and Captain Star nang available dito. So, sa Wangfu. Wangfu na. Currently, we're going to Dean and DeLuca to buy some pastries. So I'm gonna get one of these. One. Ito kalaki body wash. I'm gonna buy makeup. Ito, gusto kong Vibe. Ay, mali. Gusto ko itong Vibe. Or ikaw ba itong ni... We're gonna buy some fruits. Gano'ng karaming ganito, ma'am? Ito, isang buo. Okay guys, so I just got home and I'll end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye!